Good morning. Welcome back out to the shop. Well, today or this weekend, I hope, is finally the weekend. We're going to try and get this thing painted. I have to get rid of the flash rust again. And even though it's supposed to be raining all weekend today, it's supposed to be cool, so we shouldn't have these weird humidity swings that we've been having here lately. So my weekend, I'm going to have a date with a stripper. Not that kind of stripper. This kind of stripper. I bought a box of these benchmark abrasive stripper pads, and we're going to give them a whirl. I did a little bit on top of the headstock cover, and it did, it does a good job. Seems to last okay. So that's our goals for this weekend. What was going on the past week, I went ahead and got the lid made for the parts washer. We got all the Purple Power ordered and put in it. I have a stack of 5-gallon buckets of Purple Power but it's working good. I have the motor cover took off, and it's in the soaker right now soaking. So every once in a while, I'll go over there and I'll turn the air to get everything agitated, and I'll do that throughout the day today. And get that out, and hopefully it's good to go. We can just strip it down and get it painted and ready to go back on. Let's see what else we got. We got a little bit of needle scale work to do on the back of the lathe. But other than that, it should be ready to go. Strip it down one time and get some paint on it. A guy that I follow on Instagram has got his lathe painted, and it's got me jealous, to tell you the truth. So he painted his black. It looks pretty good. We're going to stick with that gray color for here. My shop's a little dark, so a little bit lighter is not going to hurt. So with that, I think we're going to get on with it. I think I'm just going to set the camera in time lapse, and if anything good comes along, I'll stop and talk about it, but it's going to be a loud bunch of mess. I have a paint room in the back of the shop with some fans, exhaust fans back there. So what I'll probably do, I've got a fire going in the wood stove, so it'll be nice and warm in here, but I'm going to open up the doors all the way to the spray room and open up the window on the opposite side so I can keep all this mess, a good airflow going through here. I don't want to breathe any of this crap. So with that, let's get started. I think it's ready. Or as ready as it's gonna be. That's 8 hours I won't get back. It looks pretty good. So, those benchmark stripper discs work good on flat surfaces. But around all the nooks and crannies, the good old wire brush still did better. So, we got everything where I want it. Degreased it one more time. Got it all rinsed down. Gonna have it drying. And then hopefully the next time you see it, it'll be painted. So hopefully we'll do that tomorrow. But all depends on what it looks like overnight. It's raining here again, but it's cool. So hopefully, you know, it won't sweat and get flash rust all over it again. So, and if it does, then I think I can just hand Scotch-Brite it and probably just do an area at a time, wipe it down with lacquer thinner, and then paint it. So I'm not gonna wait again. So we still got plenty to do, but hopefully this will be the big part and it's gray. But it's looking good. I like it already. Well, enjoy your weekend. Until next time. See ya.